This is an overview of proper doubles assembly. Start by selecting a dolly and backing your truck up to it. Connect the dolly to the truck pintle hook, being sure to securely close the latch and connect both safety chains. Back your dolly up to the rear trailer and unhook it. Be sure to set your dolly park brake by pulling the knob out. Connect your truck fifth wheel to the front trailer. Attach the truck air lines to the trailer and roll up the landing gear. Attach your dolly to the front trailer and back it under the rear trailer, connecting the dolly fifth wheel to the trailer kingpin. Make sure the dolly is properly connected by crawling underneath the trailer and visually confirming that the dolly fifth wheel latch covers the entire diameter of the trailer kingpin. Connect the dolly air lines to the rear trailer. Verify that the anti-lock brake system is functioning by connecting the electrical line and checking if the ABS light cycle's on. Check all of the remaining light systems, including trailer, blinkers, and brakes. Roll up the landing gear on the rear trailer. Once all of these steps have been completed, you should be ready to safely hit the road.